Alright guys, I think I'm back in it. I'm not even sure still. Hopefully, let me check on a different device. So I'm gonna be live trading. In London real quick. I don't really think I'm gonna take in. I don't think I'm gonna take any trades because, as you guys probably saw me saying yesterday, oh, I like it when price is moving well, and this is price not moving well. So I'm gonna just be here for like probably the next hour, probably till like 9 a.m. If nothing works or if nothing happens, then I'll be offline for the day still. I will be offline until what's that session called, bro? Until New York session. But yeah. So what am I looking at today? I'm sorry these things ain't too. Maybe I should put on some music or something. I don't really listen to music, guys, so it's just gonna be bare silent. Flipping. I don't even know how to mute this, bro. So if someone comes in here talking, how do I do this, bro? Oh yeah, I didn't even fix the quality as well. How do I mute myself? Yo. Okay, cool, wait. Okay. Well, I think that's how it is, isn't it? Calm. Alright, let's get lively in this. What am I looking for today? Well, basically, I'm on the 4 hour right now. Obviously, the daily is going to be bearish because we see all these 4 hours bearish here. So what I'm looking at right now is on the 4 hour here. I can't show my other screen in it, so I'm going to analyze it a bit on this. On the 4 hours here, it's respecting these highs. It's currently not a zone on the lower side that price is respecting in regard to like the most recent candles, but it's respecting these lows from here. So this is kind of what I'm looking at here. In regard to the 4 hour, I want to see it like actually, yeah, it's held under, but maybe it's regarding this whole zone. Like normally when supply and demand's drawn this like this, but I think it looks too big. I don't like the way it looks, so I just put a line. So if it clears the zone as well, that'll be a good indication, but there's no need to be rushing to get into the markets or something when there's no opportunity. So if this hourly candle doesn't close bearish, I highly doubt I'll be taking any positions at all. I mean, I could go look at GU, but I'm not trying to change. I only trade gold really, but I trade GU sometimes. So yeah, flipping. It's what it is. Actually, let me call one of my boys actually because he trades GU. I don't know if he's awake though. Guys, praise y'all, bro. Hit me. Yo, Sean. Are you awake? You don't sound it, bro. Alright, cool. Did you see my snap yesterday? Yeah. I'm trading London live. I ain't posted it on the snap yet, but I'm just doing it like just for the sake of doing it. I was thinking, come join, bro. Come, come, come. Are you not available? Oh, is it? Ah, no, but I'm not even saying, oh, come flipping trade or something. I'm just saying, come hop online. Are you active? Is it, what, you ain't been looking at the charts or what, on GU? Yeah, wait, let me, is it, I can't know, I don't know. I think, I don't want to say his name like that. Someone to think. Ah, okay. What, even yesterday and that? Okay. Ooh, nah, I hear you still. Mm. It's like in the consolidating period, isn't it? Mm. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it is one of them ones, isn't it? Like, bro. What? Mm. Okay. But has anyone else that's been trading your thing, like the way you do it, like how's it for your bro? Okay. First. Ah, I hear it, I hear it. It is what it is though, innit? How long do you think? Just until it's clean price action? Eee. Actually, wait, let me even wait, let me by the way, I don't think they could hear you in it, but I'm gonna mute it. Exactly, exactly. Exactly that. Yo, why is it not showing me? I don't know. Actually, I don't know if I'm even streaming, bro. Nah, it's showing me that on. Oh, bro. Yeah, it says I'm streaming, but when I've gone on it on yeah, it says that I'm streaming, but when I've gone on it on like my channel to go look at it, it's not there. Wait, let me check on my phone. Yo, Sean, don't say nothing around trading, because it's oh yeah, it's here. Oh, but it's private. How do I undo that? Okay, wait, let me do it. Uh, nah, how do I unprivate this, bro? Wait, let me add you to a call. Echo's calling me. Yo, Echo,
Yo,
wait, I'm on live, yeah? By the
I was
way.
gonna ask, how do you do the MT5 calculation thing for the lot size car? I can't lie, I'm bugging out. The trade is about to go.
Flipping. Okay, cool. Wait, let me add Sean because I was on the phone with him.
Alright, so bro, US 500. I'm gonna take a trade on it.
So,
Yeah.
where's my man? Wait, let me see. Sorry, I'm trying to be quick as well. Okay, cool.
It's calm, don't worry.
Yeah, so basically, this guy, man, I don't know why you've been using MT4, bro.
No, I'm using MT5. I just don't know how to do the. Come. Um, I'll try to do the thing, but it didn't work.
Bro, okay, just place the trade though.
Oh, it's great.
Just place it, and then after we'll calculate it after.
You know.
Do you
Yeah, but I don't know what lot size to use.
Okay, cool. Okay, where do you want it? Where do you want it,
You know what?
bro? If it's like a couple of pips, don't worry, bro. I'm trying to figure out how to unprivate this live, bro. Maybe I'll go end it first.
Oh, I missed it. Alright, I'll just wait for it to retrace and I'll see if I can get like a limit order.
Yeah, I was about to say. Wait, I'm a.
Oh, fuck, man, I should have.
Hey,
Sometimes I don't really
Chale.
have to do it, man.
Yo, does anyone know how to unprivate a flipping live, bro? This is jarring.
Is it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Man, like, SK. Yo, he said. Do you know how to do the MT5 thing where you can calculate your risk on the app, on the chart? Like setting a position and that. Use my
Here it
flex.
is.
It doesn't have US 500.
Broski, this is literally.
I can't help you there. I don't trade that.
Okay, unprivate. Okay, wait. Let me share my screen real quick. Uh, let me just go on this account. I'm pretty sure it has US 500. Bro, you man should just join the flipping. You should go on Discord or something, bro, or Google Meet
For
because I'm on live, innit?
you're doing the YouTube thing, innit?
Yeah.
My bad. I crashed the party.
Nah,
Sorry,
it's not
guys.
deep still.
Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to
Oh,
do so.
no, I'm not even on. I just called Sean. He wasn't even on the live with me.
Okay.
Let me share my screen real quick. I can't lie. The people on the if this is gonna be a trash live. I can't lie. Just been busting convo with Sean, bro. Let me share my screen real quick. Can you see this? Yeah. You want SP 500? I like.
Yeah.
Literally, you just click the thing. Then you click TP. Where you want to put your TP? Like
Just say that. No, just for example.
yeah. Then after this high, for example, let's say you say oh, you see how it says 82 and 100, but let's say oh you want your lots to be you want to risk 800 no 1000 or 800 and whatever. Yeah, because it's on one, you just go back onto this. No, you go to this actually. You go to this, and after you'll say 10. Then you go back to
So
this.
you need bigger lot sizes on this.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was even more powerful. I thought it was like gold.
Yeah, that's why you need bigger lot sizes, yeah.
Oh.
Look, then after that's how you do it. But let's say you want 1000. Now you have to put in here, let's say 12.
Oh, so you edit it till you get the number you want.
Yeah.
Okay. What if I wanted to do market execution?
If you just want to buy straight.
Let's say I wanted to sell it using that line thing, so I can see how much I'm gonna risk.
No, oh no, if you want to just do straight market execution, I can't lie, you'd have to already know what you want.
Oh, so it only works for limit orders and stop orders.
Yeah, because you can't. You see how it says limit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does stop orders and that, but it doesn't do what do you call it?
Yeah, it doesn't do ME. Okay,
Yeah.
that's where I jumped. Okay, cool. No problem.
What is this?
Dropped it, man.
Well, you gonna short it?
Yeah, bro. Mine,
Yeesh.
I'll see if there's a retracement entry. It's still got 4 minutes to close on the hourly, so usually there should be like a little. You should release something for me to enter.
Okay. Castle. Why are you not looking at? Sean was just talking about GU.
It's dumping, but it's already kind of made this high today.
Oh, is it?
Asia made the high. It's a bit awkward like that for me. And Asia makes the high, but I could find something. I don't know. SK, you got anything on EU or GU?
Bro, SK, the thing, by the way.
Huh?
You can be heard. Both of you man can be heard, by the way.
That's calm. Let's share our knowledge.
Yeah, calm.
I'm not trading, innit? So how come? Looking at break. First.
Little hiatus. Minor. Big up Darks as well. Happy birthday. God did. Let me. What should I do whilst I'm not on this, bro?
I'd like to think this is a British thing where people get in their car and as soon as they get in their car.
Hey, yo. Who's this with the TikToks, bro?
Is that, I'm thinking, is that one of your streamers or something?
Nah, G. Oh, you see this SK guy, when he's on the call, he loves playing TikToks like mad loud.
I don't think it's that loud. It's not even loud. It's on the lowest.
Oh, yeah. Sounds good. Okay, cool. For me, yeah, what I'm looking at right now, gold is. The candles closing bearish. I don't like the way gold looks, I can't lie. Yeah, but if I'm being real, I don't like the way gold looks right now.
Let me get to my laptop and see. Streamers, viewers, let this be a lesson. Be prepared, because opportunities will go.
Bro, but last one.
Let this opportunity to show ES is going because of my lack of preparation. I've missed it. Let this be a life lesson.
You hear that, guys? Preparation.
Let it be a life lesson. Lack of preparation will make you lose opportunities.
Yeah. I think I got 17 views. It's there, bro.
Keep that making a TikTok show.
I said, bro, I'm not doing all of that. I can't lie. I said, making a TikTok show. Bro, I'm only here in this session, I'm only here for 1 more hour. I can't lie.
I'm gonna screenshot this and send it to Claude.
Another gem using AI.
Guys, don't be sleeping. Use AI, bro. AI is your personal assistant.
Actually, yeah, you know what? I could do this right now. Guys, like Echo just said, AI can be your personal assistant, bro.
Please,
but you
don't be silly and sleep on it, bro. Use it. It's there for you.
You can use AI to make algorithms as well for trading.
Yes.
Like you don't, and in doing that, you ain't even got to know so much about trading. You can literally make the AI make it for you, as long as you know how to prompt it correctly or use a right question. So you might need to know a little bit, but you know what I'm saying.
It's a good thing.
Don't get it twisted though. Everyone inside this call has been trading for at least like how long? At least 4 years, right?
Yeah. At least 4 years.
Yeah. At least 4 years, bro. Whole lot of experience in this. I don't know.
You know like that. Okay, there needs to be Fed cut, Fed rate, sorry.
Okay,
Federal
that's
funds rate and FOMC. Ooh,
there's so much.
it's
Even
peak.
at 130 as well. Housing starts, building permits, durable goods. All of these things are whatever, but
Depends. Wait, what do you look at? Red? I only consider red
for the move.
Yeah, high impact news.
Oh yeah, of course, bro. Let's see if the Fed cut rates in it.
Actually, US news. That's the only ones that US GBP, and I've now added Euro because I kind of look at Euro now.
Yeah.
So rather than that, yeah.
I'm gonna check what's expected. I don't know, like I don't know what they're gonna do. I think they're probably gonna hike in it. Because why would people be short in gold right now? Guys, another thing. Low key, it's either you don't trade news at all, or you gotta know what the heck is going on. Because your whole account could get blown off of that. So, what do you think about the previous 4 hour on gold? I'm using the one that closes at not the ones that close at 10. I think the ones that close at 9. That's a 4 hour.
The previous 4 hour.
Yeah. I think it's bearish. Didn't break above
The
these
one
highs.
on my chart is at 10. But I
No,
mean,
no,
it's
no.
still just, it's kind of ranging.
Yeah,
And
it's
it's
ranging.
ranging at a liquidity point. So.
Oh yeah, by the way as
For me
well.
personally.
Wait, go on. Now I was just gonna say, we all of us trade differently. And we all have
Maybe let me flip my camera so that you can see. I don't know if it'll come up on your live anymore.
Nah, it's not. That's why I was saying you should join Discord, bro. So I can share the screen.
Oh,
Or Google
I'm gonna have
Meet.
to download it one day.
What's it one day? See ya.
If it can turn on to this, I can't lie. I would not even be looking at it till at least it breaks out. It could maybe break out to this fair value gap, maybe pop up and then short, or it could break down and go up. But as of now, yeah, it might do something like that. Gold even goes more than the fair value gap and then it just but
what I'm looking at right now is like you see all them go let me like on your screen go you see how it's respected though that high for like 3 candles.
well here.
No down the next
Here?
yeah
Oh okay.
so until I'm seeing it get above that I'm looking short for now anyway. We'll see, but for me like on the one I'm looking at it's been 4 candles that have respected it. So we'll see. I don't like it though. I'm probably not gonna do nothing.
Let me see. I ended up closing EU, so it's just moving bare width. So I took 2R. Yeah, I took about 2R from EU.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, for anyone that viewed the live yesterday, because I think it got like 17 views or something, bro. When he was saying, "Oh, nah, this is so peak," he was talking about spread, not about his trade.
I got spreaded so badly, guys. Let me show you.
See, that's another thing. Hey, there's too many things to tell these guys, bro.
No easy, no be easy, Charlie. No be easy. Where is it? Yes. Oof, yes, it's looking nice.
The thing is, I don't, nah. I don't want to force a trade though, just because I'm on live. They're gonna be like, oh, the first day he's on live, he doesn't take a trade. She, it is what it is. God, dude. Where's Sean? Is he here?
Yeah.
Go on, Sean, bro. Give us some insights, bro.
I'm not on the market.
First. Guys,
Paprika.
yo, can you not, bro? Try to keep it professional on the lives, bro.
Yeah, my bad, guys.
Don't need to talk
Moving on
about.
to your students.
Man says students, bro.
Sorry, to your family. Or
See,
family.
whoever wants to view it, anybody that needs it, whatever, here you go, innit? I don't think there's anyone in the live though. I think people viewed it after.
No, that's lit.
It got 17 views. That's alright. Guys, if I'm being honest, anyone that's viewing this live, I'm sorry. Bro, I can't lie. Nothing happened, bro. Maybe I'm gonna just give him some game or something. It's been like 20 minutes.
In terms of the charts?
Yeah, because...
Well, like, you haven't taken anything?
Yeah, I'm not taking anything, bro. I don't think I'm gonna take anything.
Yeah, that's a lesson in itself. There's not always something to take. Your eyes will always be looking for something to take, but it's up to you constantly to know, is this really worth taking?
Yeah, of course, of course. Are
Are
you saying that to them?
We all want to catch as much opportunity as possible, but there's not everything that needs to be taken.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Little lesson for you, man, as well. It's a lot to learn, guys.
Little lesson for them, bro.
Even for us, guys, the learning never stops.
Yeah, but you know that already,
Learning
bro.
never stops. Yeah, I learned some good stuff yesterday.
Yeah. But the thing is, like, why take trades in the market that's not moving? It don't make sense. So
Exactly.
I do. Yeah, I don't know. It would have to be a very, very precise scout for me. But the way that the 5 minute is setting up, I don't even like it. And they can't even. One watching. Who's watching? Is it one of you, man?
No.
Why'd you say no like that, bro? Bro said no like there's no way I'm watching it.
No, it's just I'm just on my truck right now. You get me?
Yeah. I'm watching. I don't know if the quality is good as well.
They're gonna make this a daily thing.
Yeah, probably, man. We'll see. Guys can see my trades, bro. Ain't no lies.
I'm scared to do a sell stop and it just give me a dead fill again.
Oh, mate. Gotta take it, bro. Take it there, mate. There is a potential sell because on the 5 minute buy pressure is decreasing and we're getting an engulfing, but I don't like engulfings that don't have a wick above on the other side. So this would be quite a risky trade. I'm not taking it though. I've done enough backtesting to know. Or what? Okay, I'm gonna put it on the screen as if I would have taken it, but just to be clear, I'm not taking this. If someone's watching and thinking, yo, let me take this, it's at your own discretion, bro. Yeah. This is low key a good move, though. Low key, but it's too low for me. Like, if it would have did this, I want it earlier. $6.45. Woo! Guys, normally when it does this, it's a lie. If it doesn't wick above, it's typically fake, bro. When you see engulfings like this. So this is not a trade. Let me make it. Let me make it clear. I did not take this. Let's pray, bro. Can't I? Praise be to Allah, innit? This guy is so jarring, bro. Praise Yah eternally. Verse of the day, boys. Oh yeah, actually, you know what? The reason why I'm called 355. Lamentations 355 to 57. If you don't know, get to know. You feel me?
Come on.
Let me move this down here though. If you don't know, get to know. Do not fear, for I am with you. Could have been Jonah too as well. But let's see this. You see what I'm talking about, you man? The gold. This
Oh my days. Dead is Phil. Oh my days.
What you got filled?
That wasn't. Oh wait, what? Actually, wait. No, the chart is different on.
Guys, the reason why I didn't take this year is, yeah, it looks alright, but I don't like this 4 hour. Typically, yeah, when you get a 4 hour that looks like this and it closes on the inside, what will happen is that the next candle will push down, then after it will close above the body of this. So it will be like a false breakdown. That's the reason why I didn't take it. See me, I'm a price action. Actually, let me even put guys on game as well. Look, in my opinion, obviously everyone, we all learn from different people and all that kind of stuff, but there's this guy called Al Brooks on YouTube. If you want to know about price action, I should make a playlist and just send it to people. Actually, on this channel, you can see all the playlists I've made, I think. And you'll probably be able to find it. Ooh. What is nice about this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. This will be considered the William fractal, 5 William fractal as well on the 1 hour. But William fractals, when it comes to the 5th one, it will reverse and go down. Sometimes, a lot of the time anyway. Okay, cool. This is another lesson right here. So typically when you learn, when you go whatever, how to trade, if you go on YouTube, they'll be like, oh, trade engulfings. But yeah, okay, cool, you see an engulfing, but it could be a fake, like the candle may be printed, but it doesn't mean that price is just gonna flipping fly all the way down. Like, look at the size of this candle and look at the next one. Like, this is an implication that sellers aren't really in the markets anyway. So I don't use indicators for real, but if you, I'm gonna put on a volume indicator real quick. Let's see if this was even a high volume, whatever, my bob. Yo, Echo, did you get in? Did you get into something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna.
I want to learn how to do that thing though. I'm still bugging out on how to do the position thing. And the chart that I was using on TradingView, I didn't realize I had the futures chart open on TradingView, and then it's a CFD chart on 25. So the levels I put in were completely different.
Yeah,
So
for
I had to amend that.
I call it, yeah. So, yeah, what I was saying regarding this, you see how big this candle is? Aye, Echo, actually, you man are not on the chart in there. I'm going to just show you on this. Look, see how massive this engulfing is here. If you go on YouTube, yeah, they'll say, oh, you know, trading engulfing, but look at the volume in the engulfing compared to this small candle that formed after. Look at the difference. This is the engulfing. Oh, can you see it? The engulfing is small, even though the candle printed way bigger than this one's. So this is how a lot of people get finesse. You can't just, yeah, yeah, what do you call it? Yeah, the way that the candle forms is important, but this is what I'm saying. Me, I don't like it if there's no wicks above on these engulfings. On gold anyway, because it's typically fake. But yeah, I did not take this. And then I gotta get in the gym, bro. Wait, Echo, I'm gonna mute it. Oh, okay, that's live. Yay! Yo! Daft hard. Yeah, I can't lie, that is a cold. What time frame was that you were just on? Bro, wait. What was that? What time frame were you just on there?
What now?
No, before. I can't lie, that's a beautiful candle. Yo.
See this? Have you ever heard of consequent encroachment?
Bro, I don't use these ICT times, bro.
Okay, it's basically in a fair value gap.
Oh my gosh.
You see the 50% of a fair value gap is enough to get mitigated.
Yeah, I know fair value gap and mitigation though, I can't lie.
Nah, I'm saying the consequent encroachment is just the 50%, right? And you see how none of them have closed above it. It's a sign of like cool rejection, right? If we look on even the higher time frame, we made this range here for the last few days. Well, I think this was last week. Then we've kind of made like a reversal profile up here. So we took the high and we had like a fat bullish candle. It would have been nice if we closed below, I'm not gonna lie, but it's discretion, I guess. But the 4 hour makes it a lot clearer that cool, we actually did kind of sell off. Then we had this fair value gap. It retraced nicely into it, and then if you look on at the 15-minute, yeah, it started showing intention of selling. Asia range was right here. It literally is popped onto it, up into it, and then that sell off. So I just want to get in and out there for.
It's got to break that low. I don't know if that's Asia low. If it breaks Asia low, it'll continue.
Yeah, so sure. Let's see what happens in it.
Yeah.
But I'm not
also another.
Because I put the correct lot size, but it's a tester just to see how it works trading with indices.
Yeah. What I was gonna say? What was I gonna say? There's a lot of concepts to learn, but you'll find that they all just have a lot of different names, to be honest. Because, like he was saying, whatever encouragement, whatever. It's Fibonacci and flipping and FVG. Yeah. Fair value gap. And then if you take the Fibonacci of that fair value gap and just take the 50% of it, and that's what he's talking about. This one's some kind of, this is some ICT, liquidity. These men be using these different times. Silver bullet. Chalk, change your character. I think everyone uses that actually, but
The silver bullet.
uh,
That's one of the other strategies.
yeah.
But they're all the same, guys. I'll be so honest.
I remember. I think big up Xeno as on it. God did. He uses a silver bullet.
Silver bullet, total soup. They're all the same, bro. It's literally all liquidity being built up, then it gets swept, and then moves in the intended direction. That's literally what it is, bro.
Yeah.
Then you have like they call it a Judas swing. That's basically a fake out. Bro, it's all the same.
The thing is, like, for example, people like we all trade the same concepts, just with different names. Literally, because
just call it different names.
he
you call it orange, I call it banana.
Yeah. So, for example, with the way Echo speaks, he will call this here or like this here a liquidity grab or something like that. But I would just call it, I don't know, respecting supply or something, or taking of supply or something like that. You feel me? So we all just speak different. Then SK or Sean even. SK doesn't use liquidity grab and stuff, right? You don't say liquidity grab, do you, Sean? Is he here? Sean. Maybe he's brushing his teeth. Who knows? Man, I'm only on for another couple of minutes, man. 30 minutes or something. Ain't nothing here for me. It's because there's the Fed. Because the Fed is going to speak today, that's why. Ooh. But if this 4 hour closes like this, if it closes under here, I'll be on at the end of this 4 hour looking for some trades. I won't go live though, can't lie.
I don't know why we should to trade ES like it's not the same.
Bro, the thing is, I know I keep on yawning, man. With your strategy, there's so many. You've got like them pairs like even Wall Street 30 or US 30 as well. I reckon you can trade as well. Let me have a look at JR 40, JR 30, JR 40. The boy is seal trades at. God did, praise be to Yah. I've looked at German 40 before. Jeez Louise. You see German 40, bro. It looks like one of them pairs it reminds me of GPCHF a bit. It's like it's so booky. Bro, I'm telling you, you see GBCHF, that's what made me a trader, bro. I can't lie. That thing there. Man. Good old days. But to be honest, it seems like when you catch this and it goes, it seems like it'll be a very nice pair to trade. Like in the day that is, because when it goes, I would say it goes probably as well as gold. Better than a lot of other pairs actually when it goes. But when it's
need FX to return to normal. I don't know if it will though.
When this is not going, yeah, we can all see that currencies are, well, it depends what you look at, but I'll say currencies are dying. So
they're dying in it.
Yeah. Maybe I should have taken this trade, boys, but I didn't. It's about 50%, so I would be considering break even right now. Depends how this would close. Because there's large wicks, I don't know if I'd move this to break even if I was in it. But because it broke under the last candle, I would have probably be trading it or something. Actually, yo, I just missed the entry. Actually, no, I didn't. So what do you trade now? Echo.
No, I'm still EU and GU. I'm just trialing US 500.
Okay.
This is literally my first time trading this in I don't even know how many years. Obviously I took a long break. I think I've tried it one time in the past, but yeah, this is my first time trying this in years.
Yeah. Bro, I'm so baffed, yeah. It says one person's watching. I don't know who it is.
Yeah, that's my opinion.
Who's that? Message in the comments. I'm not asking you, bro.
Oh,
Yo, I should have taken this trade though. But this is good. Okay, maybe guys, I'm gonna be here for 1 more hour after, because the fact that this hourly is breaking through here like this is nice. Let's see if it respects its zone or not. This is not normally the chart that I use. This is not normally the chart that I use. The other chart that I use is on my laptop right here. The black one. The one that has a black screen that you guys have probably seen. Because this one here doesn't have the markings. This is good though. All I need is one trade anyway. I'm not even trying to go for. Okay, guys, I did not take this trade. But if you're watching and you took it, you're welcome. You see, when you don't take a trade, but it works out, that's just proof of concept. So it's fine. Oh, mate. You might need to see this. Straight rejection of the 1 hour zone that I just marked. Let's see how it behaves. Jeez Louise, I keep on yawning. My sleeping is bad though. Oh, it's not optimal, I'll say. That's what I'll say. Make sure you get good sleep, guys. I don't want to move. I did not take this, but I want to move it. Guys, soon Echo will start joining. Okay, you know what, actually let me I'm gonna draw out here because I'm gonna give you guys another reason to why I didn't take this. So this is what I have on my black chart. My chart on my other, like, marked up on the other account. Part of the reason why I didn't take this is, yeah, we see sell pressure increasing, right? And buy pressure decreasing. But because it was already past like 50% of the move that I would be anticipating, I didn't want to take it because it becomes risky at that point in time. But as you see, so basically over here, yes, sell pressure is decreasing. So if this is the point where price is gonna flip, then I would then take this now. So let's say this is the place that price is gonna flip. I will take this and put this here. But I'm not sure I'd be expecting it to fulfill this whole thing. So I'll place the Fibonacci's with the expectation that it would reject at one of them. And if it does, then I would if it does reject at one of them and it begins to reverse, then I'd start looking short a bit earlier with the expectation that sell pressure is going to increase. So I could hold it for longer, but I wouldn't. Jeez Louise. But this is in the case that that is the low. I doubt that's the low, to be honest. Actually, no, it could be because it respected this low and formed like a bullish entry. 30 minutes into the hour. Let's see how this could potentially develop. You see, this is very nice, strong confirmations. Like if it's to close like this and close under this zone, these are very nice confirmations that price wants to go down. But if we get in the next 30 minutes that it reverses, and because remember I was saying with this 4 hour, something that I do expect is for it to come down and then after close back up here. But there is a potential it could close under, but more than, let's say, like six times out of 10, maybe 7 times out of 10, it'll come down and go back up. That's also part of the reason why I don't want to take a short as well. So let's see what it does. I am expecting it to come back up though. Maybe to this 4 hour or whatever it is. How do people keep lives interesting, bro? Can't I? Let me put on my UV glasses, bro. If I wanted to counter a trend and this closes above, I would take this long here. Maybe I might take a big risk. Big risk, high risk, high reward, they say. If I take it, I'll let you know though. Highly doubt it. The chances of it, it depends. It depends. Because I am expecting that 4 hour to come back up, is what validates it. Then it respecting this zone and forming something bullish validates it as well. But you never want to trade against a trend, to be honest. Unless it's perfect. Like Echo caught a very nice counter trend yesterday. Ain't that right?
Yeah. Well, short lived though, we got to about 2R. I was down 2-3, but I learned that I took the wrong pair.
Oh, okay.
I discussed with Tina yesterday.
That one, if you're just a beginner, don't worry. that one's for if you have to be technical to understand the stuff that he's talking about. It's high level stuff, mate.
Is it really that high level?
Yeah, it is. What? Because if you say it's not,
if you understand fractions, you don't understand them.
Okay, but look, you say is it high level? Things that are high level. Does the average trader use stuff like that, or think about stuff like that? There's no way.
I don't know, to be honest. Actually, I don't know.
I've never heard anyone say it or use that to decipher whether they're using Euro or GBP. If this 5 minute doesn't close above this zone, there's absolutely no way I'd even consider taking it up. But maybe I might take it for the live. If I lose, charge it, bro. Can't lie. Cheeky 1-to-1s. Let me quickly create on my MT5. Got 23 seconds on it. It says chickadoo. Ooh, the 15 minute is in the opposite way though from your manners. You know what? It doesn't matter. Tech risk. Let me see how much it's gonna be. AE 0.2 should be in right now if I was gonna take it. Good, it's reversing anyway. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna let it fill the gap. Then I should have turned on my other screen so I can Read the lower time frames. Yeah. Looking at this right now, there's a certain close that I need to happen because this one's gonna be this is a crazy scalp. This is something I wouldn't advise people to take unless you're whatever in it. Doing whatever you want to do, whatever. I'm not an advocate for a counter trend. Not all the time anyway. Yo, you know on your dashboards, does it say you're more of a buyer or seller?
I always say seller,
Really?
but that's purely based on
The pairs in
what
it.
the market gives me. I can't lie.
Yeah. Obviously, because I trade gold, it says that I buy a lot more on it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You see, guys, formed, you can't rush, bro. Fair value is filled, it's filled, but it's literally going to the bottom of that 5 minute candle. So imagine that would have been taken, you would have been cooked. That's why sometimes, especially if you're doing counter trends, mate, you gotta know what the heck you're doing. You know, I'm looking at it on the 1 minute. Sometimes I'll look at it even on 10 second. It's taking this low wick. Let's see if it forms anything bullish. If it doesn't form anything before the last minute, then I'm not gonna take it because the last minute of the 5 minute. This one's a risky trade. Not trying to take an embarrassing loss. It's pushing back up. I wouldn't say that that's a bullish candle inherently. It is on the 1 minute. Sorry, actually, let me show you on this. I'm looking at a different one. So the reason why I didn't take it automatically is because there was a fair value under and it's a counter trend. So sellers are going to try and sell it. You feel what I mean? So I wanted to see if the fair value was going to fill before it goes. So now that we're within this 5 minute, there's, as you can see down here, there's about a minute and a bit left of this 5 minute candle, right? If this forms bullish, then I'll consider taking it. But I still do think it's a very risky trade, like very risky. Like I'm willing to take the loss in it, but it's came, it's respected this low here, and uh, it's wicked below this zone that's being respected at this point in time. If this minute candle is not bullish, then there's no way I'm taking this. I don't know. 5, 4. Oh, this is so risky, guys. Nah, I'm not taking this, bro. I can't lie. Because there's 1 minute left. If it would have did it a minute earlier, I would have considered it. Because for me to see it bullish, for this to be considered bullish, it has to close above this, bro. Because now you could say it might start consolidating within this time and within this range. If it breaks under this range, then it's implying that it's gonna go down. This little 5 minute range. Yeah, see? Aye, this is evidence. You get me? This one, I'm gonna clip it. Guys need to see the discretion, bro. I'm gonna clip this one. I can't lie. Yee! So oh my days. Sorry, guys. I think I'm acting too erratic or something. But it's because I'm on the phone with my mates and that. So yeah. So this is most likely not gonna be the low. So let's remove this right now. Because this engulfing right here, this 1 hour is bearish. Even this is a potential sell as well, to be honest. But with it respecting this hourly zone now, is it worth taking? There's always a lot of reasons to not take a trade though. Gotta be confident in what you're doing. So I'm gonna hop in a minute again because typically when the hour closes in the way that I want it to, I always take the first 5 minute entry within the next hour. And that first 5 minute entry would have been this one. But because I'm not respecting the 4 hour that formed, I didn't take the first 5 minute entry. Then you can also say, I think this candle here, it wicked above, then I think the body's slightly closed under. Okay, I wouldn't respect that anyway. But you could say that. I wouldn't have taken that. I mean, let's see. Let's see. It's almost 45 minutes in. Oh, you know there's people that trade the 45 minute candle.
My boy did it yesterday.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Let's see, that's mad, bro. Guys, you see, I've spoken about this a couple times with a few different people, but even with Echo, for example, this is why I think the word is so important because, Christ teaches patience. If you're not patient, you're going to get eaten. That's just in life.
Get cooked out here, bro.
You feel me? Because there was a reason for me to go bullish here and a reason for me to go short here, but I haven't taken any of them. So if this goes short, it's fine. I'd rather wait for the 4 hour to close properly so that I know 100% this trade is going to work out. Let me see if there's anyone watching. I don't think. Let me reload it. Actually, maybe it's bugging.
I'm gonna go to the
Charlie.
Hey, sorry.
Actually, nah. Let me not even say it. Oh, okay. Wow, I can't wait. Look at this guy, bro. I got 18 minutes, bro. Stay, bro.
18 minutes. Hey, nah, bro. Because I have to join a call at 9. Can't I?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, with my group. Guys, I'm still in uni, man. Hopefully, trading takes you out of uni. Nah, not takes you out of uni. I'm nearly done, but hopefully, by God's grace, this will be a new avenue.
God did. All things are possible, man. Yeah, man. But I don't know why Echo's talking like that, bro. He's already one of them. I can't lie.
Yeah, man.
I don't know why he's talking like he's just some new satin, bro. This guy, I'll call him the data-driven trader. That's what his name should be, the data-driven trader. So yeah.
I'm trying, guys. I'm trying.
I don't know why he's talking like that, bro. What's your S&P thing saying right now, bro?
Profit, but I mean,
he's more than trying, bro. Huh? He's more than trying. He's doing. God did. Exactly. He's doing. He is doing. Make sure you read your Bible, guys.
Safe everybody. You guys take care of it.
So no more, I'll catch you. In a bit. Love. God bless.
Safe escape.
Sean, why are you being silent, bro? I don't know if he can hear me, bro. Yo. Well gone, bro.
I'm just watching a video, innit? I'm just watching a video.
Oh, okay. Sean, explain your I would say your story then. I want to give you guys a little whatever. Sean, last year, I think August, right? August to like December. Don't get it twisted, bro. Sean was going crazy. The FTMO boy. It's getting frequent payouts to be honest as well. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, so he is one of them as well when the time's right as well. But yeah, bro, Sean, explain. I don't know if they can even hear you properly to be honest, but explain your story, like how you started Wyckoff and all that kind of stuff, and now you trade. What strategy you trading at? Alright, is that how you're gonna do, man? Yeah, that's a support resistance. Say that, and I'm gonna explain his story. These times when we was in uni, I think he was trading Wyckoff with some guy from his ends in it, but obviously anybody that is Wyckoff is like I don't know, innit? It's different kind of thing. But fast forward, basically he just trades with a well-renowned trader, I'll say. I'm not gonna say his name. And yeah, it's been like last year, he did quite well and all that kind of stuff. This year, market conditions haven't been optimal for anyone, to be honest. Um, so just like a restructure thing right now, he's just taking a hiatus till the markets are moving nice. But to be a good trader, you have to be able to realize when you should or shouldn't trade in it. So yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stay here for 1 more hour only because of this 1 hour candle. This 1 hour candle is so bearish that the next, if it holds under here, or the next, sorry guys, I don't know why I keep on hiccuping. The next 1 hour that forms will be so bearish, so bearish. But I can, Spider-Man. Yeah. We'll see, man. Let's see. Alright, guys. Today I'm trading. Like if I get a trade today, I'm trading Blue Guardian CFD today. That's what I had intended to do, but I haven't caught a trade. So Blue Guardian is good. Of what I heard of, they're one of the prop firms that have been here for quite a while. I would say that FTMO is the best in regard to payouts, and even if you search it up, like these guys are making so much money revenue wise and even profit wise. So they have the money to pay you out basically. Quite a transparent company. But Blue Guardian as well. I think their owners post on Instagram and all that kind of stuff. So I mean, yeah, you can put a face to the owners, and yeah, they've been paying out. They paid out my futures account. So let's use the CFD and see how it goes as well. I've got a story though for that I'll tell one day, not now. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be going for 10. At the end of the week, I will give my weekly P&L with proof of entry as well, because I'm not gonna be just posting. Like for example, I could have posted this as if I'd taken it, but I didn't actually take it. So at the end of each week, I'll prove that I took every single trade that I did, but with screenshots. Screenshots of the entry, not the not anything else. Let me, in fact, I think one of these days, maybe the weekend, maybe like a Sunday, in it, Sunday evening, I think guys will be able to be active in it. Flipping. I will run through how I do make EAs. I'm not gonna lie to you. Anybody like look EA trading. What the heck? Sorry, my door just flung open from the wind. Um, EA trading is not because we understand that the markets trades in cycles. Yeah, you gotta understand that you can't just leave your EA on 24/7 for flipping 52 weeks. So you gotta know how to adjust it if you're gonna use it. But I do have an EA that I would allow people to use to pass prop firms in the correct environment. When the environment's correct, you can use it to pass it. But you gotta take it. You gotta take it at your own risk and discretion, bro. Because I'm not trying to be. If I give it to you, I'll show you how it works, and you do what you want to do. But I used it to pass on before. But gold hasn't. When gold is pushing, it's that time that okay, cool, boom, let's scale up or something like that. I don't want to turn around for me. I don't know what I'm saying. Guys, Christ is your salvation. Christ means salvation. Or Messiah, actually. So make sure you believe in the Most High, bro. 8 minutes till this hourly closes. Oh yeah, actually, let me show one thing as well. I doubt someone's gonna watch through this whole live, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna go to subscriptions real quick and show you guys. You know, some people ask, "Oh, how do you look at news and all that kind of stuff?" So I'm just gonna show a couple of guys that I would say are valid. In regard to, I don't know why it's taking so long. And also, I definitely have to be gone for about 9:30 because I've got to go somewhere, do something. Come on, matey. I'm gonna put some. What should the verse of the day be? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna post Lamentations today, 3:55 to 57. It's a verse that really touches my heart. One thing that we should all seek from Allah is forgiveness, bro. That's for sure. So, but also recognize that regardless of the situation, Yah's hand is there in our favor. So we can do a lot. We can do all things. That's everyone's favorite verse. 4:13. Philippians 4:13. I'm ready for the son of man. I don't know why this is taking so long. I think because I'm streaming this, you know. This is the reality of trading, guys. It's not sunshine or rainbow. It's 24/8. After this 5 minute, I got 30 minutes, bro. Because I got to get ready to go somewhere as well. Got to work out, basically. It's gonna be a hard. It's not my like. I'm working out of kind of my personal trainer, bro. He just said he wants to help me out, so I was like, you know what, You live to serve others, so let people help if they want to help. Make sure you're protecting your eyes, guys, as well. I know a lot of us work sitting down and all that kind of stuff, looking at screens, so make sure you're wearing glasses to protect your eyes and sitting on chairs that don't hurt your lower back. Because I've been through it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take a shot at one of my friends. He's gonna start smiling. Guys, also make sure you don't go get a CLA if you can't. Or A35. for the pots and banks. Look at him, he's trying not to smile. What a guy. Pots and bangs, bro. Financial management is important for the bucket seats and whatever cylinder and all that kind of stuff that guys like. I need to PPF my car and it doesn't want to. Guys, come on, bro. It's not necessary. Honda Civic or flipping. What is it? I don't even know. I don't know cars, bro. But any car gets you from A to B in it. Guys just want to do speeding and racing and all that kind of stuff. For petrol head. This market is moving poor. I don't think I'm gonna stream the next session. Sorry guys, if you hear that, it's the wind. I have a window like slightly open, so it's got like some weird noise. Okay. If it goes like this will be a nice hourly for us. Nice hourly to trade off. Hopefully the 5 minute that comes from this hourly will be nice. I can't lie to you. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know why it's showing me girls' night in Miami. Yeah, forbid. Who even is that actually? Actually, my subscriptions. Okay, cool. Home. She must be a trader actually. Okay. It's a nice little close. Okay. In this next hour, I'm looking for a 5 minute move down. If I'm being honest, I should be looking for a trade. These my subscription, as you can see here. This is actually Sean's arch nemesis. Actually, no, let me not put that out there. Okay, cool. These are people that you should be using for news. Meet Kevin. He's got good information. Sometimes don't listen to him. Just use him for the information that he's giving. This guy, he definitely has a bias that is against the United States. So take his information and hear what he's saying, but recognize that he doesn't like the US economy. He doesn't like the people that politically govern um, the US. So his bias is very much against them. Clear value tax, I would say if there's one person I would say follow, it'd be him, because he takes a fair opinion and literally only takes the facts, the basis of facts, right? Gary's economics, he's very much UK based in regard to economies, but from a societal aspect, he takes the socio-economic aspects. He takes the sort of the stance of someone who is of a low income person, even though he is a multi millionaire. He's like against certain political parties, let's just say that. But he does give very good facts. I learned how to read interest rates and all that from him just mentioning it. Ben Maller, he is not directly a he's not directly a what do you call it, like economics guy, but because he's in housing markets in the US, you can, if you just watch his videos, you get a good understanding of how he's viewing US housing and all that kind of stuff. Defiant Gatekeeper, he's a quant trader, so the things he says is very technical, and you have to be attentive to it to listen to it. Make sure that you understand what he's talking about. This guy called Jen, he more talks about things that people don't normally recognize or listen to, for real. Um, he he's decent. He posts some good stuff. I think you should watch him. George Gammon, he's kind of like, he's good, but he's more like bearish. He's very much a bearish guy. I would say that. This guy is very good just to learn stuff about trading, to be honest, James Rich Young. This TLDR News Global guy, these people, this group, they are good. They just talk about things. I wouldn't say they necessarily have a bias, but they just report on whatever's going on. James Sinclair, UK companies, about, I think his conglomerate is about 50 to 100 mil. So just hearing him talk about, old taxes and cash flow and all that kind of stuff is important. And, it gives a good example of people who are uh, market movers. Just hearing him, maybe he could say something, complain about something that can give you a good perspective on the markets. Economics help, very good, especially on UK stuff as well. I would say he's not biased. Trading Titan, very mid-ski, I would say. I mean, he's alright, but you ain't gotta listen to him for real. Wall Street Trapper, he's good in regard to stocks. Gold Core TV, she's very bullish on gold, but she is quite objective, I would say. I wouldn't say that she takes a subjective idea. Easy Property, the reason why I watch him is because UK housing, just to know what the UK housing market is looking like. Not because I'm going into housing right now or something, but it gives a good whatever on the good view on how the markets are looking currently. Bristol Ward tells us, he speaks about just different stories. They're quite interesting. Um, who else do I have here? Optical Dot, grain of salt. He does do Bitcoin, but take him with a grain of salt. Maybe we'll react to some videos as well. Actually, that'll be something that I can do. Yeah, the rest of these guys haven't really. You feel me? Above inspiration, this is something that I probably subscribe to on this channel in like, wow, 2016, 2017 or something. It's like motivational speeches, but regarding like Christ and stuff. It's quite good. Oof. I've If this closes under here, I'll probably take this short here. If I'm being honest. Give me a sec, guys. I need to go wee. 3 minutes till the candle closes. We'll see if I lose or win. If I lose, it is what it is. Part of the game. Oh, look at that. I don't know. Sean, are you still here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What are you saying? What are you up to? You emailing?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it that you the live is on, shall I mute it?
No, it's cool.
Okay. What is it that you're doing? Sending.
Just documents to the new job, innit?
Oh, okay.
Documents. Oh yeah, I need to send this one as well.
What, like passport and stuff, or?
Bank statements and everything.
Oh, okay. So they can pay you, basically.
No, they didn't. This one, just one verification of my address.
Oh, okay. Oh, and it's assigned to your house in London, isn't
Yeah.
it? Doesn't look like it's gonna close under. If it closes under slightly, I'm not taking it. It's gotta be full. Can't rush greatness.
You better accept this bank statement because honestly,
When is it from? Is it like the last 3 months?
yeah, it's like last 3 months.
Okay.
It's like I don't pay bills. I don't pay a council tax yet.
Fairs. Why don't you pay council? Oh, it's because you're in the NHS.
No, I don't pay.
Why don't you?
Council tax
Why?
because it comes with the house.
Okay.
As in, I don't pay council tax in my family house.
Oh. I thought
So
you meant in
they're
Leicester.
asking like, oh, council tax bill.
Oh, okay.
Because he has your address on it.
Yeah. Nah, but they'll understand in it that you're in Leicester, so because you don't live there, you don't pay for the council tax.
No. Everything I sent to them, I sent it from a London address.
Oh, okay.
Because nothing is in my Leicester address. I don't put anything in the Leicester address.
Fairs. Woo! Guys, almost got finesse. You see, if you were looking at this chart, you would have got finesse. But luckily, I was looking at my broker. It ended up closing above the zone.
Okay, I'll do statements.
But yeah. What else do they need? Just bank statement.
That's it, just bank statements.
Oh, okay.
I hope they accept it because I've got nothing else for me.
Yeah, the only other thing they'll ask for is utility, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. That'll probably be your parents' name on that.
Yeah, everything's in my parents' name. I don't pay nothing in the yard unless I just contribute.
Yeah.
Nothing's in my name unless I ask him. Okay, cool. Does my V5 count?
This guy.
My V5 count?
By the
Like,
way,
nah.
guys, Sean's in Leicester right now, nursing in Leicester, and he's going back to London. Woo, God, dude. Yeah, man. So, and he's gonna be in a very bougie place, bro. So he's gonna be in Chelsea. Dang. Very, very bougie. You know, he prayed for this as well, so praise to Yah for the fulfillment. I used to. Did you play that? Actually, nah, don't worry. I was gonna.
What?
I was gonna say that let it all work out.
You know, I found a better song,
What was that?
but it's in French.
Oh, okay.
It talks about struggle.
Oh, okay. This guy is not Congolese, by the way. He thinks he's Congolese. He's Nigerian.
I never claimed I was.
Bro, you think that you're part French, bro?
No, I don't think I'm part French. I'm just into French culture now. I've been involved in French culture now for like the last since 2021.
Yeah. You know the man that like, you see the man that like, bro, like I knew one brother, he started watching anime, yeah, and then he started thinking he was Japanese, bro. It's mad. It's what?
French music is nice, isn't it? The UK scene is dead.
Yeah.
Anything about the UK is dead. So
Actually, yeah, also my boy Darts. I'm not even gonna, bro. This guy, he grew some dreads. All of a sudden, Donny found out he's part Jamaican. I say, yeah. Happy birthday, though. God bless. He's gonna laugh when he sees that, bro. Now he's Jamaican, bro. Say nothing. God, dude. But yeah. I mean, it's crazy, man. We're all growing up these days. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. Guys, I don't know why it's long.
accept that bank statement because I got nothing else for you guys, honestly.
This is me coming back on Snapchat, yeah, after a very long time. What I say the biggest thing that changed is like the amount of ads that are on it now, bro. You can't escape it. It's more than YouTube even. These days. Okay, guys, I'm watching this again. I would preferably like it to close below this zone here before I take it, because I don't like that. Normally when it closes like this, it'll come down, then it'll wick here. So, I mean, I like it. I've got about 15 minutes to catch a trade, bro. Okay. The fact that it's wicked under now, if it doesn't close under, there's no way I'll take it. Impossible.
Red score has changed. What's that meant to me?
Has it gone up or down?
You're seeing it. I don't think it's went down.
Yeah, I don't see why it would go down. It's probably gone up since you like pay for that stuff, a big amount. Like you pay rent, car, and all that. Innit? So
I don't think my rent does it impact on it? Usually it will tell me.
yeah, credit score. Your rent should impact your credit score. Yeah.
Let's check it on a hot search. No, nobody. need to pay for this with the pin your laptop.
Okay, only if your landlord reports it.
Yeah, my landlord reports it. They don't report. I haven't been delaying my rent in any shape or form. So.
Okay, they typically start reporting it if you miss out on payments and stuff.
You know when you miss out on payments, it's long.
Yeah. Oh, credit score is so important as well when we grow up. Even for when you get your car and stuff. What is your credit score though?
It's on the highest 900 mark.
What?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot you got a credit card. I forgot. You got Amex, right?
Yeah. Oh, we're not. Oh, they increased it. I didn't even know.
Yeah, if your thing is 900, you're gonna get anything you want, bro. Can't lie. When you get a mortgage and all that. Brother.
That's crazy.
Come on, governor. Maybe I should have taken this trade, but I don't like it when it's engulfings without wicks, bro. But it did close under these zones that are formed here. Missed out on the trade. Maybe it's because I'm live as well, innit? I don't want to lose. It is what it is. Hopefully oil prices don't get too high, man. Only got a couple of minutes, guys, before I have to go. Maybe what I'll do is, if I get in a position, I'll leave the stream on for a bit until I'm ready and see how it closes, and then after I'll go. Okay, that's a nice little wick above. I wouldn't say I like this, but the fact that it's closed under wick this, and the last hour is quite bearish. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take this, to be honest. Okay. We'll see, because that could be deemed a retracement. Two minutes left in this. 1 minute actually. I don't like how full this candle is. It's probably gonna come back wick. If it doesn't close above it. When did you first get your Amex? 2 years ago in uni. Oh.
Yeah, I got it towards the end of the uni.
Okay. Yes. But you know, I know you guys don't like or use Revolut as well. I think Revolut got something called Revolut Silver now that you get points when you purchase with it as well.
I just use my Monzo. I just have Monzo. I don't even use my Monzo.
Nah, them online banks I use as intermediaries. Like if I'm receiving a payment, it might go into one of them banks before I put it into the actual one. Oh, bro. Guys, this thing is taking the piss. Bro, what do you think? Do you think being a landlord? Okay, cool. Let's say you. What do you think is harder? Okay, let's say you're a trader. You already know how your strategy. You've been trading for years. Like, let's say you've been trading for 8 years, 10 years, or something. Like, you have 10 years worth of experience, and you've been doing that. Yeah, and then let's say you're like 10 years into property, do you think um, being a trader with 10 years experience is easier or harder than being a property owner or even or like a landlord with 10 years experience? What do you think is harder?
Um, I think being a landlord,
Yeah, I agree.
just doing it on your own now is very hard.
Yeah, because even getting new tenants and that, innit? That's
Yeah,
so long, bro.
I just feel like it's just hard to get the deposit down.
Yeah, exactly.
To get the deposit, it's not even the deposit. Anyone can get the deposit. It's what comes after the deposit: the stamp duty, the court, the legal fees around it.
Yeah.
If you're buying a used property, so it's not a new build, do you have money to renovate it? Are you gonna renovate it? Are you gonna borrow money from the bank, or are you gonna do it yourself?
Yeah. And especially if you're gonna borrow, like if you're gonna do what they quote unquote call good debt, like if you're gonna do that, you gotta make sure the properties that you're building are bringing you money back, bro.
Exactly.
Because then you're taking on too much debt, fam. It's risky. I don't know though. What do you
Yeah,
think?
there's so many things you have to factor in, because if you're not factoring those things in, then you're cooked in all angles. But you're not cooked, bro. I mean, some people, they just buy the house and they just furnish it. They don't even check about if there's any hidden leaks,
That is
damp in the
craziness.
walls, you know. But you can't rent it out anyway, because before you even rent it out, you have to get someone from the council. Hey, how do I get stuff on me?
Yeah, to agree.
Someone from the council has to come in and check the property to make sure is it livable? If that's the
Yeah.
correct word, or how? Okay, you know what I
Can
mean?
someone occupy it? Yeah.
Yeah,
Even like even for example HMOs, in it, you gotta get them checked out
yeah,
to make sure that it meets all the requirements.
yeah. So many things. That's why I'm kind of like straying away from property a little, because
Bro.
property's not going anywhere.
Facts.
It's not going anywhere. So I feel all these young men, I've seen men say, "Oh yeah, I've got my first property," and they look at that, look down on me. I'm just there, like, brother. One missed payment, you're cooked.
Yeah, it's true.
Because it's a lifetime. It's a lifetime.
Yeah.
Not a lifetime. Like, it's a 30-year agreement, because it's a
Mm-hmm.
mortgage at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you get someone to pay your mortgage. If you're renting it out, someone's paying your mortgage.
But you have
Okay, cool. What happens if they move out and
that's
then
what I'm
struggle to get
saying.
another tenant?
That's what I'm saying, bro. That's literally what I'm saying.
More property's
So
not going anywhere.
I feel like the way people like literally every single thing, yeah, the way it's presented online is just the biggest lie ever. Especially with
No,
trading as well. People think, oh, like, oh, it's just so this, that. Like, bro, no, it's not, bro. I can't.
no.
But
I spoke to my dad about it. I said, Dad, why? Because my uncle is into property, but my dad really wasn't really in it. I mean, he
mm.
has a property, but it's like in Scotland,
Oh, okay, yeah.
and he bought it years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Years ago.
Yeah.
This is in his early days,
Okay.
but he's not really into it. I asked him, why comes, because like, bro, he said the same thing. His property's not going anywhere.
Okay.
It's not going anywhere.
I hear that. There's always
Obviously, it's hard
property to
now.
be
It's
bought
hard
in
now.
it.
It's hard now.
Yeah.
But those days it was easy. But it's not going
Easier,
anywhere.
yeah.
The average person to get that first property in the UK is actually 38. It's 38 years of age.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
So now, the
Yeah.
average person to get the first property is 38 now. So you don't have to be 24, 25 to be getting the first property. It's not that deep.
You mean that you don't have to rush it?
You don't have to rush it now.
Yeah, I agree.
Because for you to even get your return of investment, it's going to take years. It's going to take years. That's why I'm not really rushing the property thing anymore. It's not going anywhere.
I agree. I agree. But also, if someone does want to get into real estate, then why not?
Yeah, my boy, he wants to get into it. He even tried to bring me. He wants me to come in and but I told him, yeah, cool. Since we were both doing it together, why not?
Yeah.
But at the same time, I told him,
No
I
rush.
told him my situation. I'm living in Leicester. I need to move back home and then reconsider my options.
Yeah. Literally.
I said, yeah, you're like, calm, just let me know. I was like, yeah, cool. I'll let you know.
Literally, bro. And there's so many different methods as well, innit? So many different modes that you can.
Yeah, there's so many ways. Properties, there's so many ways you can do it. HMOs, buy to lets,
Airbnb,
Airbnb. I
buy,
think Airbnb,
rent,
Airbnb
renovation.
is the easiest because it's temporary stay.
But you gotta make, bro. You gotta make sure it's in a place that people want to stay and stuff like that, bro.
Exactly, yeah. So you need to find like a good area.
Yeah. Like for example, I saw someone he was showing that like he's got a property at the Chelsea Stadium. Cool, that's amazing. But football's only 2 days. Maybe Champions League as well. So it's like it's not as sunshine and rainbows as people think, and the
Yeah.
season isn't. It's not 12 months of the year as well. So
Do you know who are the best people to get property, sell property to?
who? Old people.
No, Polish people.
Yo, I'm on live, bro. Please don't come
No,
saying
no,
that.
no, 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 no. I'm being genuine. You know,
Okay.
those are the best people to sell property to.
Why? Because they work hard.
They come, work for like 6 months to a year, stay in that one room and then cut.
Mm.
So they get a guaranteed income for like a year and then they
Oh,
bounce.
okay. I thought, yeah. Thank God you said something good.
No. I just one of my colleagues today was like, yeah, these men they just come because most of these men they come to do like construction work or bricklaying work, innit? So
Yeah.
when they come bang out shifts. They bang out their job for like a year, leave, and then they go back to Poland. And then if they need money again, they'll just come back to the UK.
Yeah, to be fair, I was speaking to someone who's Romanian, and they were like, oh, like the way that they kind of build houses and stuff is similar to how we do it in Africa. Like they buy land, then they build a house on it and all that. So that's what my man was just trying to do, bro. He said he's gonna be here a couple of years and he'll see if he's gonna he's just gonna be here a couple of years, buy some land, build a house and cut. And even one other guy I knew, he said he worked in 4 different countries, yeah.
Yeah.
The amount of years that is necessary for like pension. So he's gonna be able to get pension from 4 different countries when he retires. Or something like that. And I was thinking, what kind of method is that? I never heard of that. That's insane though. I think it was like England, Italy, Spain, and somewhere else. I can't remember. Some Romanian brother or Russian or something.
Yeah, because these men are hard working, innit? So they just come
Yeah.
bang out. These men will get to work at like literally 5 a.m. in the morning, waking up at like 3 a.m., do their shift, cut.
Bro, it's mad.
The jig is different over there.
Them Eastern Europeans, innit?
Yeah, they drink differently.
Joke, bro. Got good work ethic.
Yeah, do their job on their bounce, and then yeah,
They're
that's
strong,
why you're
bro.
selling a property to them.
Yeah.
And
Oh, you're saying that because they're serious as well, innit?
they're serious. Yeah, they'll pay you. They'll pay you your rent, and then
Fair
also you
enough
get some
then.
odd ones that they'll try finesse the landlord, but then
There's
you
people
better
like that in
pray.
every
You
culture.
better pray that in the UK, but because some they try finesse the system, saying that they won't pay until they do what they need to do, and then they just cut on it.
Bro, there's even something I want to say that some Greek lady was telling me, bro. I don't even want to say it on this, bro. She was planning to do a mad thing, bro. It's definitely illegal, I can't lie.
Yeah, because my neighbor back in the day, actually, no, I think he wasn't even. He was from. I think he was Romanian, or he was like Romanian. He was from. Lithuanian. One of the two.
Yeah.
Came here. Obviously, he was a painter, painting walls, and then he also does some odd construction work on the side.
Nah, them man do like all the handiwork stuff.
Yeah,
Like they'll do any of it.
And then I met because the landlord and my dad are like close in it. Because
Wait,
my
wait,
landlord was
wait.
living at the property
Give
before.
me 2 seconds, guys. I'm gonna mute, but I'm gonna leave the chart open. I'll be back. I gotta go get ready for wherever I'm coming from. But I'm gonna leave the chart on. Alright, what are you saying, Sean? Yo, so guys, I'm about to leave. I actually did take this short. Where did I took it from? Uh, I took it from 4568.62. 4568. So about here. This was my SL. My SL was about here. And my TP's hit. I'll prove this. At the end of the week, I'll prove all my trades so that you just don't think, oh, this guy's just capping or whatever or something like that. But praise be to Yah that we were able to win. You know, God ordains everything. So glory to the Most High 10 times over. You, man, pray God is with you all. May we continue winning. A loss is a win, even if we do lose. So let's keep it pushing. Praise be to Yah eternally. I'm signing out. That's 355. God did. Okay, stream's ended.